If you're running an e-commerce store, especially one that is based on your country alone, your local market, you already know the reality of pay on delivery, and that is what actually closed the sale. A lot of customers want to see the physical product at their doorstep before they can part with their money. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up cash on delivery in WooCommerce. And without wasting time, let's jump right into the dashboard. We're going to come to our WordPress admin area, and we're going to come down to WooCommerce, and we're going to come down here to settings. So right here, we're going to come over to payment. Another payment, we want to come to this option that says take offline payments. So if this is your first time coming to this page, you're going to most likely have enable right here instead of manage. But for my own case, I've enabled cash on delivery before, so I'm just going to click on manage. So this is where you can enable and customize the details that you want to appear to your customers during checkouts when it comes to paying with cash on delivery. I already edited the demo title and description and instructions that comes with WooCommerce. I gave it this title of pay on delivery, cash or bank transfer, and then the description of saying pay securely with cash or a direct bank transfer when your package arrives at your doorstep, and then a detailed instruction telling them on how they are going to pay ahead for the delivery and how they're going to pay the dispatcher, and a representative will contact them shortly after to confirm their delivery window. And most importantly, coming to shipping method, if you are going to turn on cash on delivery, you should only use this option for your local markets. It should not exceed the particular area where you operate in. So let's say you are a business owner from Nigeria, you can only use this option. I will advise you to use this option only for local orders. So let's say orders from Lagos, from Ibadan, from Abuja, anywhere in Nigeria, you can still try to use cash on delivery. Do not turn on this option for international payments because it's going to cause issues when it comes to getting paid. Just receive the money overhead and ship out the products to the international country. All right, I already have this shipping method that I created here earlier, which is Nigeria standard shipping. You can create any type of shipping methods that you want with WooCommerce. I can also choose any local pickup method. This one also works for your particular store location, which is set in your WooCommerce settings already. And lastly, you should not use cash on delivery for virtual orders, because virtual orders are like PDFs, ebooks, music files, pictures, and so on and so forth. You have to get paid overhead before you can actually run that type of a business. There's no need of using a cash on delivery for a virtual order. Having said that, what you need to do is come down here to click on save changes. Because I didn't make any change on this page, that is why my home button is grayed out. So when you click on save changes, then you're going to come to our website, and let's place a few orders. Let's add this to carts, and let's also add this to carts, and we are going to place an order using cash on delivery. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to over on this. I'm going to come down to checkouts. So on the checkout page, this is where they're going to put in their contact information, their shipping address, their shipping option, and the payment option. Now, on that payment option, we do not want to use debit or credit cards. We want to use cash on delivery, pay on delivery. All right, and then we're going to come down here to click on place order. All right, so it says thank you, your order has been received, and here is the message we put, the instruction we put earlier on. Your order has been successfully placed. Please ensure you have the exact cash amounts or your mobile banking app ready when our dispatcher arrives, and every other thing about the amount which they're going to pay: 15,000 naira for the shipping and 108,000 naira for the total products, making everything come to 125,000 naira that will be paid to our dispatch rider or our delivery person when they bring the products to their shipping address. Okay, so here's what we can do. Let's come over to our admin area, and we're going to come to orders. So here is the order that just got placed on our website. We're going to click the order to see the details about the full order. So on this page, here is what I just want to mention in case you are new to WooCommerce and you don't know how WooCommerce operates. Any successful order that is being placed on your website is going to get the status processing. This processing that is currently turned on, this is the status it's going to get, and this processing covers the process of you packing the order, packing the item, giving it to the delivery rider, the rider delivering the item, collecting the cash, and when you successfully receive the payments from your customer, that is when you can then come down here to mark this order as completed. Do not use pending payments because you've not received payment already. This is actually made for payment processor that had issues debiting your customers. Let's say you wanted to pay with Stripe, you wanted to pay with Paystack, and then there was a problem. They couldn't pay, maybe their card got declined or something happened. the payments and the payment field, that is when they can get pending payment. So for your own case, you're going to leave it as processing till you get your money. So when you get your money, you can then come down here to click on completed, and then you can mark this order as a complete order. So that is all about this video. If you found something helpful in this video, kindly leave a like, and if you have any questions or any suggestion for me, kindly leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to reach out to you. And I hope this video helps you out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.